Hi guys, welcome to another episode of our property management how-to vlogs. In today's episode, we're going to go through how to clean and maintain a Dyson cordless vacuum. This video will pretty much work for any Dyson cordless hoover. The first step will be to clean the clear bin and cyclone. To release the bin from the cyclone, you press the red button. This will open up the bin bay. If you press the red button a second time, it will remove the bin from the hoover. To clean the clear bin, you will need a damp cloth. All you need to do is wipe the inside of the clear bin to remove any debris and dirt. Please be sure not to use any detergents or polishers, and please do not stick it into the dishwasher because that can break the hoover itself. Now we're going to go to clean the cyclone shroud. All you need for this is a brush to remove any dirt or lint you may see. Do not use any water on the cyclone. We are now simply going to refit the clear bin. Ensure the clear bin is completely dry before fitting it. The next step is removing the filter. Make sure that the machine is disconnected from the charger before starting this process, and be careful not to pull on the on trigger. To remove the filter, lift it out from the top of the machine. Run water over the outside of the filter until it runs clear. Squeeze and twist with both hands to make sure that excess water is removed. Lay the filter on its side to dry. Leave for a minimum of 24 hours to be completely dry. The last step is to refit the filter. Place the dry filter back into the top of the machine and make sure it's fitted properly. We hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for tuning in.